Hello. So I did film the deep clean kitchen with me video. And then what I wanted to do today was more of like the organizing aspect of keeping your kitchen clean, developing daily habits, things like that. So today I'm going to probably redo the coffee bar, and then also I'll do the pantry. So let's see what we come up with. Gotta get into cleaning and organizing mode. I did pick up this new coffee. Let me grab the box that I just stepped on since I love to recycle. So it's the coffee with 2 times the caffeine. I still want more coffee. Thumbs up if you agree. Okay. Okay, so first things first is I throw on a pair of gloves just in case I do use up like a cleaner, then I'm protected, because it's definitely a good habit to get in, especially with all the cleaning we're doing these days. So then I unplugged the Keurig, I popped it on the countertop, and then I took like a damp little rag thing and just wiped off all that coffee that splashes up, and then of course the dust was just accumulating on the top. So that's actually what prompted me to clean the whole area anyways, was because of the dust. I don't have matching cups, so it's never gonna look perfect until I buy matching cups, but this will definitely do for now. Don't forget to clean that little drip pan thing. So of course, like I said, not gonna be pretty, but way better if you just clean it every so often. So next we are gonna remove all of the cups, that way we can wipe down each shelf. As you can see, it's just got so much dust. I'm like, why? And I think the last time I kind of touched this coffee bar was in October. So definitely had accumulated a lot of dust, which is why we're doing these organizational and cleaning videos, so that we can be more on top of it. And I had to show you my Stephanie cups, because do you guys have cups with your names on it and they're your favorite cups? Comment down below. So I don't know about you guys, but we actually love Amazon, especially for just anything that's reoccurring. So of course you need coffee filters to put in your Keurig that you need to replace every time it yells at you. So I'll actually link that all down in the description, basically any of the good stuff that I used today. And now the fun part, like I said, if I had all matching stuff, I think I'd feel a little bit better. But I did actually have fun with my Cricut when I first got it, with those 3 brown cups on the left. Don't be mean, but they actually had like a whole different logo on them, so it was really hard to cover it up. But yeah, I was just practicing. We have so much green tea, the ones that you steep, so I'll probably be finding some type of way to organize those in the coming days, weeks, months, whenever I get the chance, because I'm trying to find just like a spot for everything right now in my house, and you know, that is a challenge. So do your final touches, and then I actually made a little coffee bar sign for this area, and then we're gonna move on to the spice pantry. So for this spice cabinet, basically everything cooking, I'm just going to take everything out of the cabinets first, and then I'm going to go in with some Mr. Clean and wipe down all those shelves and the side door as well. Then I figured I would lay down some contact paper, so I quickly grabbed the measuring tape and then measured the width and depth. And I'm going to lay down some contact paper. I have some white marble on hand, so just use whatever you got. Amazon's always a great choice. My toddler break. He was being so patient through this whole entire time. My little baby. So now we're just gonna peel and stick that contact paper. If you've ever worked with contact paper, it's either your best friend or your worst enemy. Just depends on, you know, how it's gonna treat you that day, I guess. But I did small sections, that's why it worked out so well. If you do too big of sections, it's literally impossible. I did see a Windex trick, but I didn't have to use that today. So if you want to Google how to use Windex and contact paper, I suggest that. If you are having trouble for it sticking, then just break out the blow dryer. And now thinking about it, I'm probably supposed to spray rubbing alcohol right before I attach it, because that's what you do with Cricut things. But I definitely did not, and it is the spice drawer cabinet, so there's oil in there and everything. Even though I wiped it down, I'm sure that there's just some residue. But yeah, so this actually like shrinks the contact paper, so just be a little careful because I kind of messed up at the top. The house came with like these little spice things that were already attached. They're very ugly to me, but like I said, for now, before I start buying new things, I want to paint the cabinets first, which will definitely be filmed and on this channel. But I did just reattach this thing with some stick-on Velcro that I had. Otherwise, double tape is probably even better. But yeah, so I did just place those on really quickly and throw it on top. Then I labeled some of my seasonings and just anything that I thought could use a label and make it look nicer. So we are done for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely subscribe to this channel for future organizational and cleaning videos and other things as well. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.